Hey y'all, welcome back to I Be Wiggin'. I'm Sandy. If this is your first time stopping by, I sure am glad you're here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. That way you never miss any of my wig related content. Today I'm going to be reviewing CALIFIA by BelleTress in the shade Mocha with Cream. This wig is available to purchase at the Beauty Nook. All you have to do is download their app to your device and make sure to shop their live wig sales every Friday night at 8 p.m. Eastern on that app. If it's your first purchase, you can use my code IBWigginRef to save you 35%. So let's talk about CALIFIA by BelleTress in the shade Mocha with Cream. This was a recent new release by BelleTress, but it is a style that we have seen trending over the last year or two, that beachy style wave. This one might remind you some of Scholar by John Renault, or Caliente by BelleTress. The differences between this one and Caliente is Caliente has a fringe, has a bang. This one is the same length overall. It is 11 inches. It is a blunt cut, so you have that slight undercurl underneath and then this layer above that creates the volume. So it is the same length overall all the way around with that 4-inch nape. And it is that beachy style wave. To enhance this beach wave, you can use water, just spray it down with some water, or you can use product, and the one that I recommend and use is Tress Tech by Tressalure. It is a wig wax and a spray. It's also available at the Beauty Nook, and it is fantastic because it doesn't leave a really heavy buildup, and it can be used as a holding spray as well as give the wig texture. So you just spray some of it and give it a nice scrunch like you would if you had this natural curly wave to your bio hair. This is what you would create if you just let your hair naturally dry, or just had curled it with a curling iron, and then a couple of days later it's just relaxed. But it's a beautiful, beautiful wavy beach style wave that is a blunt cut all the way around. Now you see that most of the volume is at the bottom. You're not going to have a whole lot of volume at the top because there is very minimal permatease. So in order to create that, you would have to use a heating tool. This is a heat-friendly fiber, so you're able to do that. It is very realistic looking, a heat-friendly fiber. It's very silky and soft to the touch. There are some things that you have to consider with a heat-friendly style, but because this heat-friendly style is off of the nape, you're not going to be creating a whole lot of friction, so the fibers probably will last you a little longer with this style. And with it being off of your neck, it's not going to create a whole lot of heat, so it's a really perfect choice for this summer. So let's talk about the lace front. The lace front is finely knotted, very comfortable. It's temple to temple, and they bring that lightest highlight shade, which is in the Mocha with Cream, to the front, so you're not going to see any of that dark knotting from this root. And it is rooted, so it is a Mocha with Cream, and Mocha with Cream has this dark brown root. Now if you do not prefer a dark root, then you can choose Nutella with buttercream, which is very, very similar, if not identical, to this shade. And I will do a comparison video here shortly of the two shades, as well as compare it with Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, which is one of my very favorite shades from BelleTress. But this is definitely rooted with that dark brown root. It is a very rich, warm color. It has that rich dark brown chocolate with a cinnamon type low light, and then you have the highlights that are cool blonde and that light blonde highlight. It's very natural looking, just like you went to the salon and you got this fabulous blended color. Very, Very pretty, one of my very favorite shades from BelleTress. And I know I say that a lot, but BelleTress just has beautiful shades. They are one of the best, as far as my opinion, in the name brand wigs as far as their shades. They're just really, really good. Natural, blended, beautifully shaded wigs. So let's talk about this cap. Now, CALIFIA is a left side mono. It has a good wide mono, so you can have a little bit of area there to create that scalp at that left mono. It is a open wefted cap, and it has a felt covered ear tab with the fibers sewn in. So it also has a standard nape and the strap adjuster, so you can adjust those straps to fit your circumference. Now this is an average size cap. It is truly average. With BelleTress, sometimes they are inconsistent with their cap sizes. Sometimes they will be slightly above average. They're always average to above average, but this one is actually a true to average. So if you are petite, all you have to do is cinch in those straps in the back to fit your circumference. So it is definitely a beautiful style, a great choice, I think, for this summer. So let's take it off. No, I'm not going to take it off because I just told you what the cap was. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside so you can see it in the sunlight and compare it to the indoor lighting. So this is CALIFIA by BelleTress in the shade Mocha with Cream. And that is CALIFIA by BelleTress in the shade Mocha with Cream. If you want to purchase this wig, head on over to the Beauty Nook and use my code IBWigandRav to save you 35% off your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. That way you never miss any of my wig related content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.